Hello friends, today we will talk about the uses of a microscope. What is a microscope? A microscope is a scientific instrument which is used to see extremely small objects that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Depending on usage, there are different types of microscopes. Some examples are optical microscope, electron microscope, and ultramicroscope. The study of small objects using a microscope is called microscopy. Uses of a microscope. It is used for tissue and cell analysis. For example, cells or tissues can be studied under a microscope to find out if a person has cancer. It is used to examine forensic evidence, for example, blood or ink stains. And bullets can be studied under a microscope to check if they match with either the victim or the criminal. It is used by biologists to determine the health of an ecosystem. For example, a particular pond or swamp can be studied in order to find out the diversity of organisms living inside them. It is used to study protein within cells. It helps in studying the role and functions of a particular protein in cells. Biologists use it to study microorganisms such as protozoa, algae, bacteria, plant and human cells. It is used for studying atomic structure. Special kinds of microscopes are used by the scientists to study the surfaces of individual atoms. It is used to study ceramic, plastic, metal and other material samples. Thank you friends.